Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is homemade lip and cheek tint with all the natural ingredients. Let's get started. Start by taking a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of shea butter to it. Shea butter is super hydrating and it has a lot of benefits. You can use Vaseline as an alternative. Here I am adding half tablespoon of olive oil. Blend shea butter with olive oil. Preparing the base of the tint. Adding half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now you can add a small amount of any lipstick color of your choice. I want to prepare it with natural ingredients. So adding 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in it. To make the application process easy, adding a small amount of glycerin to it. Combine all the ingredients well. Transfer it to a small container. You can use this as a natural blush or a lip tint or overnight sleep mask for your lips. It will nourish your skin and lips with a hint of color to it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.